friends, today I am going to make a mouse family out of paper cutouts. First I am going to introduce the mouse family. This is Daddy Mouse, this is Mummy Mouse and this is Baby Mouse. Now I am going to introduce the body parts. Daddy Mouse body, ears and tail, Mummy Mouse body, ears and tail, and Baby Mouse body, ears and tail. Now let's glue them together. Now we will fold like this and glue. Now we will glue the ears and the tails. Now we have glued the ears and tail. And now we will make the whiskers of the mouse family. Now their whiskers are done. Now our mouse family is ready. Papa Mouse, Mama Mouse, Baby Mouse. They are so cute. Thank you for watching my mouse family making with paper cutouts video. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you in next video.